Hello guys, and welcome back. Can you believe that we are less than 24 hours until I embark on this crazy journey that has taken me from France to Spain by foot in 40 days. That's 812 kilometers walking from France to Spain. I still don't think that it's kicked in yet. I think when I arrive and I wake up and take my first step, I think that's when it'll all kick in. But yeah, I'm super excited. And in today's video, I just want to show you what I'm actually going to be wearing, because I did a packing video yesterday. But now I just want to show you the things that I'm actually packing, because I'm packing ultra light. I have this super ultra light backpack that I'm taking with me, and it's 22 liters. So 22 liters means that there's not really much space for much stuff, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something that is going to be lightweight, easy. I don't want to be carrying too much stuff for 40 days walking, and it's not an option for me to get my luggage transferred, because that is an option as well. You can pay a taxi or these like transfer people to take your backpack, but that's not something that I would like to do. So yeah, I am carrying everything myself, and I'm going very, very light. So I'm gonna show you everything that I am gonna be taking with me now, and then I'm gonna show you what that actually looks like on, so you can see my little fashion show. Okay, so this is pretty much gonna be my go-to that I'm gonna wear every day. So these are my super comfy, stretchy leggings that I'm gonna be wearing on most days on the hike. But I've also brought 2 more pairs of trousers, just because it's good to have options. So I have these brown pair, which is super stretchy and super, super comfortable. And I can actually use these as kind of like loungewear for when I arrive to each destination, if I just want to be comfy, or even if I want to wear them to bed. So this is my second pair. And then this is my third pair. These are super thin material, but really, really high quality, very comfy, stretchy. And again, I plan to wear these when I get to each location, or maybe at night to bed. But yeah, these are so comfortable, it's crazy. And then I brought a few tops. Actually, this matches these trousers, and this is like a little boob tube. I think this is nice, especially just like when I've reached each destination, just being able to throw on a little top takes up no space. This top matches these trousers, and again, it's a super comfy, great material, activewear top, which I absolutely love. And I have the same thing in black. I'm really going for comfort on this trip. Yeah, I also have sensitive skin, so if I wear certain materials, it makes my skin itch, and that is not what I want on a 40-day hike. This, same thing, it's a really comfy top, really great material, stretchy. And it's double, it has double material. So it's nice and thick, but also very lightweight. And it clips underneath as well. So yeah, this is one of my favorite tops. So that is all the tops I'm bringing, all the trousers, all of the tops. And then I have a little zip, which is very lightweight, very cozy, and it looks cute. And then I have brought a couple of outfits that are for just when I arrived at each destination. So there's just this little linen skirt, definitely needs ironing, that I can just put on if I want to walk around a little town or village. And then this is a linen top, again, very lightweight, very easy to just kind of throw on. Okay, and then there's this skirt that I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna bring it because it's pretty big, but this is easy just to kind of throw on. And yeah, it looks nice, it's comfortable, and it's just like a nice flowy skirt for when I'm in the town. So I'm basically gonna choose between this one and this one. Obviously you can see the difference. This one is so much smaller, I can literally roll it up, whereas this one is more bulky. But I know I can get all of the wears out of this. So I'm really thinking about which one to bring with these. And then there's one last one, but I'm actually wearing it. It's a skirt, so I'm gonna show you it on the video. I'm gonna show you what all of these look like on. Of course, I have a bikini, and I'm bringing 9 pairs of underwear that I'll be hand washing along the journey. So this is everything that I have, and I'll show you what everything looks like on now. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit. I've got my skirt, which I absolutely love. So a skirt is basically shorts and a skirt, so it's practical, but it also looks cute. This is my top, the one that is a leotard, so I haven't clipped it, but you will clip this, and it's very, very comfortable. These are my hiking boots I'll be wearing, and my merino socks that I'll be wearing. You can see the quality of everything. It just feels really, really nice. And I think with this kind of hike, I will definitely lose a bit of weight. So it's nice to have this material that will fit me no matter what. Wow. Am I a hiker girl or am I a hiker girl? This is my little water tube. Ah! Okay, cool. Outfit 1 done. I'm gonna show you what my next outfit looks like in T-2 seconds. Okay guys, this is outfit number 2, and this one is for more of a lounge wear when I'm exploring a little bit, maybe even for bedtime also. So this is definitely going to be multi-purpose. I'm not really going to be hiking, especially in these trousers, even though these are the most comfiest things that I've ever put on. I feel like I am like wearing a cloud or something like that. But yeah, super great material. It's stretchy, it's cozy. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so certain materials feel itchy when I wear them, and this doesn't feel itchy at all. I can move in it, I can do a lot of stretching and things like that. So yeah, this is going to be my everyday loungewear when I reach to a destination. So yeah, this is outfit number 2. I will see you in T-2 seconds for my 3rd outfit. Welcome back to outfit number 3, guys. Is this number 3? 1, 2, 3. It is number 3. And this is going to be basically my main outfit on the Camino. These are my comfy black leggings and my top, which is the same as the brown one, but in black, and it just feels like I'm wearing a glove. So yeah, I'll be wearing this on most days, and I will be hand washing my clothes as well. So of course I have limited outfits, but I'm going to be hand washing everything, so I still smell funky fresh. So yeah, this is what this outfit looks like. I've got my headphones on because I'll basically be wearing these every single day. So this is me all strapped in, got my drinking tube. Yeah, this is the main outfit that you're gonna see on most days, guys. And yeah, next up, I'm gonna show you my 4th outfit, which is gonna be another kind of cozy lounge type of wear. So yeah, see you in T-2 seconds. Actually, before I put on another outfit, I just wanted to show you a little jacket that I have. It again is very lightweight and cozy, so I'll be wearing this. It is very thin, to be fair, it's not very warm, but I do have a jumper that I will have with me that will keep me all snug, and I have a scarf and a windbreaker as well. But I don't want to be super sweaty when I'm walking, so I'm trying to find that balance of I want to be warm and cozy if it's cold, but I also don't want to overload myself with super heavy clothing that's going to stick to me too much. So yeah, I have this jacket, I have a jumper, I have a scarf, I have a windbreaker, and I also have a raincoat as well in case it does rain, which I hope it doesn't, but very likely that it will. All right, guys, I'll see you for the fourth outfit. So this is outfit number 4, and this is more of a lounge wear when I've arrived to the destination and I just want to have a walk around. I can show you. I can wear this top like this, or I can tie it like this. It's super airy, so if it's super hot, then this is perfect. Or if I want to scrap this in total, then I can just wear this matching set, which is these super comfy trousers and this super comfy boob tube top that literally takes up 0 space, and I always wear this as well. So yeah, this is my 4th outfit. I may also hike in these trousers as well, just because they are super comfy to walk in. I've hiked in them before as well, and they are very, very cozy, and that is what we're going for these 40 days. We're trying to be as comfortable as possible. So yeah, this is outfit number 4, and of course any of these outfits I'm going to be changing the tops, changing the bottoms, so they all go together really, really well. And for sure they do look nice, they are nice pieces, but the main thing for me is maximizing comfort on this journey. So yeah, I'm going to show you my next outfit, which again is more of a lounge kind of walking around the town and it's definitely opposite these vibes. It's more flowy skirts kind of vibe. So yeah, I will show you my next outfit. Okay guys, this is my next outfit, and this is definitely more flowy vibes. This is more walking around the towns, and it's very airy, and honestly I just love this skirt because you just throw it on, it feels good, and I believe that it looks cute as well, which is definitely a nice bonus. So I would wear it with this kind of boob tube, or I could wear it with any of the tops that I already have. Skirt with this top as well. Yeah, it's just giving like Spanish town vibes. So yeah, this is my outfit, and there's one more that I'm going to throw on. It's another skirt, and really it's this skirt or this skirt, and I really need to decide in the next like 2 hours which one I'm going to go for. I think I need to think about the space. Do I want to carry something heavy like this, or do I want to carry something lighter like this? This is just giving, guys. This is giving Spanish, this is giving flow, this is giving everything. So I'll show you the next skirt and then we can kind of decide together. Okay, so this is the final outfit, and this was the skirt that I was telling you about, and I do love this skirt. The only thing is, again, linen, so it creases so easily. So the question is, do I want to be walking around with a creased linen skirt? Probably not, but it doesn't take up much space in the bag, so I'm just like, what do I do? Why am I turning Italian? I don't know. But yeah, this skirt goes with this top, this skirt goes with this little boob tube, and it's really good because you can just tie it. So you can adjust it so it's gonna fit you if you gain a little bit of weight, if you lose a little bit of weight, and I'm definitely gonna lose a little bit of weight on this Camino. Obviously I'm walking for a long time, so I'm probably gonna lose a few pounds. So it's good to have adjustable things that will fit me no matter what. So I don't know what to do. I don't want to pack both of them. I want to be super light and not carry too many things. Yeah, I do not know what to do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sit with this one. My flight is in around 12 hours, so I may have to sleep on it and just see what I want to wear. This is easy, but I just don't like how it's creased. The other skirt is heavier, but I don't have to do anything. It's just good to go. And I feel like it's just very flowy, and it's given like pilgrimage vibes. So I don't know, we'll see. I feel like I'm just gonna decide in the last minute. But yeah, this was my packing video number 2. These are the outfits that I'm gonna be wearing on the Camino. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to comment in the comments. I probably will already be on the Camino by the time you watch this video, but maybe someone else who's gonna do the Camino will find your comment very helpful. And when I finish the Camino as well, I'm gonna do a review of the things that I packed and just see if I should have packed anything else or if the things that I packed were spot on. So yeah, this was the outfit. Thanks for sticking with me, guys, and wish me luck for this Camino. Pray for me, and if you're on the Camino, then I wish you all the luck, and maybe I see you along the way. Thank you so much for checking in. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment, all the things that YouTubers talk about. I second that, and I will see you next on the pilgrimage. Okay.